Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove emoji from photo in the Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Photoshop application in our phone. And after we have our Photoshop application opened, we can choose a photo we want to remove the emoji from. I'm going to remove the emoji from this photo, for example. Then after that, we can go to the heel section right here. Click on the heel and then you can tap or drag over the areas of your photo to remove the emoji. And I'm going to practice it, guys. We can draw like this to remove the emoji from our photo. You can keep dragging or drawing until the emoji has totally been removed from your photo. And now as you can see, guys, that the emoji has been removed, and we can click on this button to save the photo to our gallery. Okay, and now my photo has been saved to my gallery, and that's how we can remove emoji from a photo using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.